Hi there mga beloved yung soulmates! Welcome to Renzo Tara Channel. Nandito ang pinili ko para bigyan kayo ng soulful and meaningful at reading. Dito lamang po sa inyo lagi nabangan at sinusubaybay na Renzo Tara Channel. Mega shoutout po sa lahat na ating soulmates sa buong Pilipinas at sa buong mundo na laging nanonood at nakabang. Maraming salamat po sa inyong walang sawang tiwala, support at pagmamahal. Ang ating pong reading and pagsasamahan ay isang general reading para sa ating mga pinakamahal na nasa sign ng Aries. Aries, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus sign. This is for you. So, kamusta po kayong lahat? I hope you're doing great. I hope you're healthy, you're safe, and of course, you're happy. Kapag bago po kayo sa ating channel at di po pa kayo nakasubscribe, please do subscribe, like, comment, and share. And if you're watching this in our TikTok account, please follow Renzo Taro 444. And if you want to avail of private reading, huwag po kayo mahiya mag-send ng message po sa akin. Important notice po ay hindi po ako yung una mag-message po sa inyo para mag-offer ng private reading. So, scammer po yan. Hindi po ako yan. May mga nanggagaya po ng account natin na re-upload ng videos po. Sige, huwag na natin pampatagalin pa. This is for you, Aries. Kunin natin ang isang pumbara para sa yung general reading. Sweet Universe, Sweet Guides, Angels, Ancestors, Holy Spirit, Saint Michael. 10 cards please for Aries. Thank you so much po ha sa inyong walang sawang tiwala, support at pagmamahal. Sa mga nag-avail lately ng private reading, thank you so much po. Hindi ko po kayo maisa-isa. Maraming salamat po. My heart is filled with so much happiness and gratitude sa lahat ng loyalty and support na pinapakita niyo po sa Renzo Taro 444. So, sige. Aries, your 10 cards are now complete. Huwag na natin pagpatagalin pa ito. I know that you're so excited. Alright, Aries, let's begin your general reading with your first card, which is the Hierophant. So, maybe you have a lot of reservations, pang dami niyo po raw mga paniniwala, mga beliefs na parang ikaw gusto mo na itong parang basagin or parang putulin na. But it seems na parang medyo nag-aalilangan ka pa sa mga changes na nangyayari sa'yo kung feeling mo ay talagang para sa'yo ito. What I mean is that nararamdaman mo sa sarili mo na parang may mga pagbabagong nangyayari sa mindset mo, sa pag-uugali mo, sa mga habits na ginagawa mo before, and parang nasa denial stage ka. So with the Hierophant card here, so the universe is telling you na Aries, embrace the changes. Embrace whatever changes that will be happening in your life because it is for your own good. Hindi to mangyayari, hindi to bibigay ng universe mga pagbabago, mga growth, and uncertainties na mga nangyayari ngayon or yung mga parang sa'yo yung mga bagong mga pangyayari kung hindi ito para sa ikabubuti mo. Okay, whatever it is, so just embrace it and go to the flow, Aries. Okay, walang masama dyan. Ito, Empress. So, I can see here, sabi ko nga, it is very necessary itong mga pagbabago na tanggapin mo siya because the Empress card here, I can see, is like a total transformation for you. I can see here an Aries that is filled with so much confidence, matapang na, puno na ng kumpiyansa, hindi na nahihiya. Kung dati, mga Aries, tatahimik-tahimik lang, but now, it seems na parang ready ka na to face everything in your life. Hindi na parang, hindi ka na nasa gilid lang, na parang tatahimik-tahimik at parang nagmamasid. So, this is a kind of Aries na nakikita ko dito na parang, aside from being confident, it's like, puno ka na ng freedom. You have the independence to do what you want. Unlike before na parang may mga reservations ka pa, may mga kinoconsider ka pang mga feelings ng ibang tao, baka masaktan, yung magiging reaction. But now, I can see it's like, you're not going to care what other people will be feeling. So, it's more on, kumbaga, sarili mong desisyon ang mangyayari, hindi ka mapapapekto sa sasabihin ng ibang tao. With the Empress card here, it's more on confidence, it's more on happiness na gusto mong mangyari. Ito, Queen of Swords, it's more on Aries. I can see here that aside from your own decision, even your family, even the people around your circle, ikaw yung kahit paano ay parang hihingian ng advice, ikaw yung mag-i-inspire sa kanila to do also what they want to do na parang nahihiya or parang nag-aalinlangan silang gawin. With the Queen of Swords here, it seems that you will be the one who will be directing. Ikaw yung parang magko-command, ikaw yung parang susundan ng karamihan. Sabi ko, you will be serving as inspiration, you will be directing a certain situation na kasi magaling ka sa managerial skills, sa paglilid, paghawak ng mga tao. That's why may papakita mo dito. Lalabas yung galing mo sa pag-handle ng mga sitwasyon, sa pag-handle ng mga problema, or even, leading a flock. So, pakita mo to, wag ka nang mahiya pa, wag ka nang matakot pa, Aries, tuloy-tuloy na ito, ilabas mo na, ipakita mo na. So, show what you have. Okay, so this is the best time, Aries, to be recognized for the skills and talents that you have, because it's been a long time na tinago mo ito. It's been a long time na parang sinarili mo lang ito. Right? Pang-apat is the Seven of Swords. So, it's more on moving on. So, how even it's so painful, masakit man ang mga nangyari, may mga betrayal, pagtatraidor, may mga biglaang mga pangyayari na hindi mo kontrolado na of course, naapektuhan ka, nasaktan ka, but it is necessary. Nangyari yan, it's because there's a reason behind that thing. And with the Seven of Swords here, the universe is telling you to slowly move on, do your best to at least make steps, paano ka makarecover. I know, hindi madali ang lahat. But, do your best na bitbitin mo itong mga swords na ito, itong mga painful experiences, mga masakit na nangyari sa buhay mo. Of course, kunin mo kung anong matututunan mo dyan. Bitbitin mo kung ano yung mga learnings na maaaring gamitin mo sa panibagong journey na tatakin mo sa buhay. Because I can see here a total recovery here. You will be happy again, Aries. You will be filled with so much confidence again. So, with the Seven of Swords here, you are guaranteed that there's a healing for you, Aries, believe me. But the best thing here na gagawin mo ngayon is at least do the first step. Gawin mo na. Kasi kung mag-aalinlangan ka pa, tahimik ka lang dyan at hindi ka kikilo, so walang mangyayari. There will be no healing, there will be no moving on here, there will be no growth for you, Aries, unless you make a stand or you make an action. Right? So, Page of Swords. So, be brave, be honest, show or say your feelings, show what you've got. Hindi na ito yung oras, hindi ito yung Aries na kilala ko na parang sabi ko for a long time ay parang nanahimik. So this is the best time, Aries, nga pakita mo talaga kung sino ka, pakita mo kung anong meron ka, sabihin mo kung anong nararamdaman mo. Hindi to pwedeng kumbaga i-consider mo pa. I'm always saying this because malaki ang naitutulong ng pagiging confident, ng pagiging totoo. Kasi sometimes kapag most of the problems or most of the feelings ay we keep it in ourselves, diyan nagkakaproblema kasi imbis na masolusyonan, imbis na magawa ng paraan, matulungan ka. So sometimes nami-misinterpret pa ito. So medyo nagiging malala ang sitwasyon. But if you being honest, if you are kumbaga showing what you truly feel. So at least there are people that can understand you. May mga tao makakaintindi sa'yo and to the point na matulungan ka pa. So, this is not the best time, Aries, para manahimik, para dyan lang sa gilid. So, ilabas mo na talaga. Ipakita mo na kung sino ka. So, panindigan mo. I know that you can do it. Magaling ka, matalino kang tao at walang mga bagay na hindi ka kayang gawin. Right? So, we have last 5 cards here. Aries, before we proceed, ulitin ko, pakisubscribe na po pag di po pa nakasubscribe sa ating YouTube channel. Thank you so much, road to 90K subscribers na tayo. Thank you so much po sa ating mga soulmates sa TikTok. Thank you so much po sa 10K followers. Napakabilis po ng paglagaw ng ating TikTok account. Maraming salamat po sa inyo. Walang sawang tiwala, suporta. Alright, let's continue, Aries, sa iyong general reading. Pang-anim is 7 of Cups. So I can see here, ang dami mong manifestations with the Hierophant here. Hierophant card here. So, ang dami mong pinagdadasal, ang dami mong wishes na gusto matupad. But it's more on, you are overwhelmed. Hindi mo alam kung alin bang uunahin mo. Litong-lito ang isip mo, ang punong-puno ng ideas, ang isipan mo, but seems na hindi ka pa makapag-decide yung alin ba talaga dyan. With the 7 cups here, I can feel an energy of being undecided. So, I know you have a lot of plans, you have a lot of options, but this is the situation here. Aries, gulong-gulo daw ang isipan mo sa kasalukuyan kung ano ba talaga ang mga susunod na steps na gagawin mo, kung alin ba talaga ang opportunity ang papasukin mo or ang pipiliin mo. Alright? So, but I can see here, minamanifest mo ito, pinagpa-pray mo talaga ito, that meron talagang aligned sa'yo na yun ang gusto mo, na sana kung ano man ang mapili mo, mapag-desisyonan mo or dumating para sa'yo, kung kumaga yun yung align ka doon, yun yung happy ka, yan yung magaling ka, or yan talaga yung gusto mo mangyari. Right? So, the Justice card is here, Aries. So, it's more on being action-driven. Nakikita ko, punong-puno ka ng energy, mabibisi ka. So, kumbaga, ihanda ang sarili mo. Ang daming ganap, ang daming mga activities kang pupuntahan, ang daming invitations, ang daming mga gagawin. It's like, your energy is flowing here with the Justice card. It's more on being active, kumbaga, yung energy mo is overflowing. In this upcoming weeks and months ahead with the Justice card here, it's more on being visible sa community, Aries. Your voice will be heard. Makikita na naman yung, kumbaga, yung presence mo is more oftenly. Hindi tulad dati na parang nanahimik ka o nagtago ka. So, prepare yourself with the Justice card here. I can feel an energy of being active, okay? Or filled with so much energy, Aries. Pangwalo is the Ace of Cups. So, this is a very beautiful card because I can see here a new beginning for you, relationship-wise, job, career, finances with the Queen of Swords. You just need to, nakikita ko magbubunga itong galing mo, ma-discover, ma-recognize itong galing mo sa pag-lead ng tao, pag-inspire ng ibang tao. You will be holding a position na parang that will be the reward, Aris, sa galing mo sa pag-manage ng grupo o ng mga tao. So, yung pagiging action-driven mo, pagiging confident mo, yung pagiging matapang mo ay papalitan or marirewardan ng Ace of Cups, which is new beginning or stability for you. Good news, blessings. This is a blessings. This is new opportunity for you na parating. So, i-claim mo na ito, Aris. This is the reward. So, you truly deserve this. Okay? So, hindi to questionable for you, Aris. It's because sabi ko nga, napakatalino mo, napaka-hardworking mong tao. There's no question para sa'yo. Three of Cups, there's a celebration here. So, i-claim mo na to. Whatever things na pinaprocess mo lately, may naantay kang resulta, may mga bagay kang matagal mo nang minanifest. So, there will be a culmination in the soonest time. With the Three of Cups here, magiging, hindi ka na magiging masaya, but this is a kind of celebration that you will say that I truly deserve all of this. Okay, kasi mahabang panahon mong nilaban ito, pinaghirapan to, pinagpuyatan, and there's a lot of people na tinalikuran ka, na you are expecting matutulungan ka, but nakilala mo na ang lahat ng tao sa paligid mo. And now, Aries, this is the best time to claim this big celebration that is coming on your way. So, sabi ko nga, deserve mo ang lahat ng ito. Blessings and, good news that is coming. This is worthy of celebration for you, Aries. Right? So, para sa yung 10th and last card, tapusin natin itong napakaganda mong general reading, Aries, with Ace of Swords. So, look at these. All of these are very consistent. Napakaganda ng mga barahan. Ace of Cups, Three of Cups, celebration, and we have here another. Ilaban mo to. Whatever, kung ano mga pangarap mo, panindigan mo, ilaban mo kung maaring wala mang taong sumama sa'yo, wala mang maniwala sa'yo, panindigan mo, pakita mo. Tingnan mo. So, ikaw ang nakakakilala sa sarili mo. Ikaw ang nakakaalam ng path na gusto mo. So, hindi mo pwedeng i-adjust ang mga plano mo, mga pangarap mo sa buhay dahil lang sa ibang tao. With the Ace of Swords here, this is guaranteed. You are guaranteed that it will be successful in the future. You just need the courage. Kailangan mo lang ng tapang. Kailangan mo lang ng lakas ng loob para pagpatuloy ito. But believe me, with the Ace of Swords here and the Ace of Cups here, soonest time you will going to celebrate all of this. Sasabi mo na, buti na lang nilaban ko, buti na lang talagang hindi ako nag-give up at hindi ko napapekto sa ibang tao. So, this is a very beautiful reading. I hope and I pray na marami nasasay ng Aries sa mga kapatid dito ngayon. I'm wishing you all the best in life. Thank you so much. Mga soulmates kong Aries, sa inyong walang sawang tiwala, support at pumamahal. Kasama kayo naroon, anong ginagawa niyo. Maraming salamat. Mag-ingat kayo lagi. God bless us all.